Students, now the problem is given to you. They have given you the trial balance, they have given you the adjustments, and they have asked you to prepare the trading account, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Now first write at the top, in the books of Shri Vignesh, a retailer, Bagalkot. Next line write trading profit and loss account for the year ended 31/12/2016. Leave 20 lines. Write DRCR. Get the page folded. Come to the debit side, write expenses, amount. Come to the credit side, write revenue, amount. Next, write balance sheet as on 31/12/2016. Get the page folded. Liabilities, amount. Assets, amount. Come to the problem now. Whatever is given in the trial balance should have single effect. Whatever is given in the adjustment should have two effects. Okay. Come to the first now. Capital is given to you. Come to your balance sheet. Liabilities side. Write capital, inner column 30,000. Next, they have given you the drawings. Come to your balance sheet. Liabilities side. From the capital less drawings 2,500 minus it, still write in the inner column. Next, they have given you the reserves. Come to your balance sheet liabilities side. After the drawings, leave 2 lines and write reserves 2,000 in the outer column. Next, they have given you sundry debtors and creditors. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet. Write sundry debtors. Write it in the inner column because there is an adjustment. Come to your liability side. After the reserves, write creditors 25,000 in the outer column. They have given you the purchases. Come to your trading account debit side. Write 2 purchases, inner column 75,000. Next, come to the credit side of the trading account. First line, write buy sales, inner column 1,35,000. Next, they have given you the purchase returns. Come to your purchases trading account debit. Write less returns 2,000 minus it, write in the outer column 73,000. Come to your sales. Write less returns 3,000, write in the outer column 1,32,000. Next, they have given you the commission and that is given in the credit side. So, after the sales returns, leave 6 lines and come to the credit side, write by commission in the outer column 1,000. Next, they have given you the bills payable. Come to your balance sheet liabilities side, write bills payable 10,000 in the outer column. Next, they have given you the salaries. Come to your commission. Come to your corresponding debit side, write 2 salaries in the inner column 7,500. There is an adjustment for it. Next, there is an advertisement. After the salaries, leave 1 line, write 2 advertisement in the outer column 1,000. Next, bad debts. Come to your, after the advertisement, write bad debts, write it in the inner column 300. Because there is a provision given in the adjustment. Rent. Come to your bad debts, leave 1 line, rent in the outer column. Next, they have given you the land and buildings. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet, write land and buildings 25,000 in the inner column because there is a depreciation. Furniture. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet. After the land and buildings, leave 1 line, write furniture, write it in the inner column 5,000. Government securities. It is an asset for you. There is an adjustment for it, or you can directly write it in the outer column. Government securities, write it in the inner column 10,000. Next, Cash at bank 4,900. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet. Write cash at bank 4,900. Next, come to your adjustment. First one, they have given you closing stock 20,000. Come to your trading account credit. Below the sales, write buy closing stock, outer column 20,000. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet. Write closing stock 20,000 in the outer column. Come to your government securities. Add interest. Put in your inner column 10,000 into 5%, that will be 500. Add it right in the outer column. It is a income for you. After the commission, come to your profit and loss account credit side, write buy interest on government securities, outer column 500. Come to your land and buildings asset side balance sheet, write less depreciation 2%, that is 25,000 into 2% will be 500. Minus equals to outer column will be 24,500. Come to your profit and loss account, write to depreciation, underline it. Below that you write land and buildings, inner column 500. Next, they have given you furniture 10%. Come to your asset side balance sheet. There is a furniture 5,000, write less depreciation 10%, that will be 500, minus equals to 4,500 in the outer column. Come to your profit and loss account debit side. Below the land and buildings, write furniture, write in the inner column 500, add both, write in the outer column 1,000. Come to your salaries, write add outstanding 500 and write in the outer column 8,000. It is a liability for you. Come to the liability side. After the bills payable, write outstanding salaries, outer column 500. Next, come to your sundry debtors asset side balance sheet. Write less provision 2%. See what will be 2% of 40,000. That will be 800. Minus equals to outer column 39,200. Come to your profit and loss account debit side. Write to provision on debtors 800. Either you can add it for the bad debts or you can write it directly in the outer column. That will be 1,100. Now first close your trading account. Total the credit side, that will be 1,52,000. Write the same to both the sides. Minus 30,000, minus 73,000, minus 73,000. You get the answer as 49,000. Write it as to gross profit carried down. Write into bracket, transfer to profit and loss account. Come to the credit side. Above the commission, write it as by gross profit brought down 49,000. Now close your profit and loss account. Total the credit side, that is 50,500. Write the same to the debit side. Minus 1 by 1. That is minus 8,000, minus 1,000, minus 1,100, minus 800, minus 500, minus 500. You get is 38,600. Come to your capital. After the drawings, write add net profit 38,600. Add all, write in the outer column 66,100. Now close your balance sheet. Total the liability side, you get is 1,03,600. Total the asset side, you get is 1,03,600. Both the sides, the total should be the same. Then it means what the problem you are done is correct.